The government has roped in private hospitals to help vaccinate those above 60 years and those above 45 years with specified comorbidities. But how much will you need to pay if you choose to get vaccinated at a private hospital? We break that down in this report.
Countdown is on to the second round of the world's largest vaccination drive. And in queue are those above 60 years of age and those above 45 years with specified comorbidities.
All arrangements are laid down by the government of India and government of Delhi. They are in place and the same will going to continue. It is only that under new policy, apart from now we are going to charge the rate whatever government will say, and we have to yet to know how do we procure vaccine, whether the government is going to supply or whether somebody else is going to supply.
Union Health Ministry has fixed the vaccine price at Rs 250 per dose for private hospitals, confirming India Today's exclusive scoop. The price ceiling has been set at Rs 250 per person per dose, which includes 100 rupees service charge. The total cost for 2 shots of the vaccine would then come to around 500 rupees. Vaccines in government hospitals will be available free of cost. In the second phase of the vaccination drive, the government has simplified the system of certifying people with comorbidities within the age group of 45 to 59 years. A single page certificate to be issued by any registered medical practitioner for the vaccine beneficiaries. The certificate can either be uploaded on the CoWIN 2.0 by the beneficiary while self-registering, or a hard copy can be carried by the beneficiary to the COVID vaccination center. Besides personal details, the beneficiary needs to tick the options if he or she is suffering from heart ailments, diabetes or even cancer. Around 10,000 hospitals under Ayushman Bharat and 687 hospitals under the central government health scheme can be used by states as COVID vaccination centers. States have also been given the freedom to use all private hospitals impaneled under state government health insurance schemes as vaccination centers. States can also use health facilities of all PSUs and all government health facilities. The hospitals must also maintain basic cold chain storage points, have their own team of vaccinators, and maintain the facility to manage any adverse event post-vaccination.
With more than 24,000 locations of private hospitals that are empaneled under the Ayushman Bharat scheme as well as the central government's health scheme, the private hospitals are ready to vaccinate more than 60 years of population as well as those above 45 years, giving a much needed impetus to India's largest vaccination drive. With Sanjeev, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.
So with the next phase of vaccination kicking off tomorrow, let's explain to you how you can go ahead and choose to be a beneficiary of the vaccine. If you want to register via your mobile, you have to download the Arogya Setu app. Most of us already have that app. And in the app, then you go forward and fill your details. You fill up details of your age, your sex, your name, as well as other details that are sought in the app for vaccination. After that, you can book your appointment. That will mean that you can book your slot, which date you want to get vaccinated, and choose your vaccination center. But there is also a limit that in one mobile, you can only book a maximum of 4 appointments. Beyond that, you'll have to use an other phone. So one option of registering yourself for the COVID vaccination is to do it via mobile phone by downloading the Arogya Setu app.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.